Excuse me, Your Honor. I know I keep calling you Your Honor, and there's nothing honorable about you. Okay, no. I'm telling the truth. There's no honor in you at all. So let's skip past the semantics, okay? Because you got some issues, okay? No. We're not here to talk about that. Okay, now let me see. So are you telling me that there's evidence of the original contract on the record? Yeah. No. You're, what is all that you're talking about? I asked you, are you telling me that there's evidence of the original contract on the record? That's all I asked. What are you doing talking about all that other stuff that ain't got nothing to do with my question? No, my question requires an answer that is direct to my question. Oh, you said that was a direct answer? No, that wasn't. No, either there is the original contract on the record or there is not. And since you are not identifying no original contract on the record, let the record reflect that there is no evidence of an original agreement on the record. Now hold on. That was just one question. Oh, no, I'm driving. You want to do this little virtual? Yes, I'm driving and talking on my phone. I can do that. Okay, now you want to do this virtual meeting? So we're doing it virtually, but you're going to listen to all the background. I got my windows down, honey. So you're going to listen to all the background noise and everything because I don't give a, Okay, now the next question, because I only had 2 questions, okay, then you're going to do a Rule 60 dismissal. Yeah, because you don't have no jurisdiction to make no ruling. You need that original contract. But now what I need to know, are you telling me that there is actual evidence on the record of an outstanding debt? See, having the original contract, that's one thing. That's just evidence that there may have been an agreement, okay, where somebody promised to pay something. But what you need is evidence that there's an outstanding balance, not an instanding, no, outstanding, like the group. Yeah, Gap Band, Cameo, and all of them. Yeah, outstanding. Okay, even Earth, Wind, and Fire, and the Ohio Players, if you want to get down with it. Okay? Get down on it is what that song was, but I say get down with it, okay? Now, hold on. Now, I ask you a question. Where's the evidence that there is an outstanding balance? Oh, no, look at that junk. That's just a piece of paper. No, it ain't got no signature. It's got a bunch of numbers on it. What's that? No, I'm entitled to a comprehensive accounting. You better go. No, this is a commercial agreement, and we're under the commercial laws. So get that that commercial code junk that y'all be going by. Not no UCC. The state adopted that stuff. We're looking at the state version of it. Yeah, you know that 209 section? No, 210. That's, you are right, Your Honor. 210. It says I have a right to demand a comprehensive accounting. They're the custodians of the records. Those collective entity idiots? Yeah, they're the collective entity. Collective entity. That's the official term for it. Yeah, they're responsible for keeping the record. So where's the record? No, that's just a statement. I want the record. The record has to reflect. So where is the evidence on the record? There's no evidence of no outstanding balance. Oh, wait. Hold on. Got one more thing. Did you know that financial institutions can't lend their own credit? Yeah, I know. So did I. But hold on now. So I get to demand that they show proof of the origination of that junk that they claim was a loan. That's right. They said that they loaned something, and I look at this document, it says credit. So where do they get the credit from, and where the valuation of the credit come from? Well, we ain't going nowhere until we solve all of these questions. See, one question leads to the next. So there's a lot of questions that need to be answered on the record before you can get jurisdiction. Rule 60, B, numeral 4. Then look at number 5 and look at number 6. Rule 60 is on the state level and on the federal level. Now, you may not find Rule 60, Your Honor, on the federal level, but you dang sure gonna find Rule 60B4. You see, Rule 60B4? Yeah, it was before you got stupid. I know. Okay, look, I gotta go because I'm parking now, and I can't park and talk on the phone. That's against the law. All right. So y'all, shut up. All right, goodbye. I just took a snapshot of you because you a stupid mother.